you looking to book a trip for loved ones, family, or for yourself? Then this is the right time to use Travelbeta as your one-stop travel agent. With your tickets and valid ID card, you can walk into any MedPlus store around you to pick up a free travel pillow courtesy of Travelbeta and a free medical kit courtesy of MedPlus. I mean, who wouldn't like that? And guess what? You also have access to 10 to 20% discount on all Beyond MedPlus products and services. This is inclusive of the spa service as well. Do not miss out on this unforgettable offer. Book smart, stay healthier with Travelbeta and MedPlus.